Hello all. Now let us see about the Lady Macbeth as seeming femme fatale. We all know that Lady Macbeth is the character from the Shakespeare's tragedy Macbeth. Macbeth is the one of the plays of Shakespeare. First, we have to know what is seeming femme fatale and how it connects with the Lady Macbeth character. Seeming femme fatale, which means a influencing character who manipulates the men through her power, and this is because of overambition, and this ambition leads them to death. Now we connect these characteristics with the Lady Macbeth character. Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth is one of the Shakespeare's most famous and frightening female characters. When we first see her, she is already plotting Duncan's murder, and she is strong, more ruthless, and more ambitious than her husband, Macbeth. She seems fully aware of this and knows that she will have to push Macbeth into committing murder. At one point, she wishes that she were not a woman so that she would do it herself. This theme of relationship between the gender and power is the key to Lady Macbeth character. Lady Macbeth is a very bold character. This shows this relationship. And her husband implies that she is masculine soul inhabiting a female body, which seems to link masculinity to ambition and violence. This crafty woman use female methods of achieving power, that is manipulation, to further their supposedly male ambitions. Women, the play implies, can be as ambitious and cruel as men. Yet social constraints deny them the means to pursue these ambitions of their own. Lady Macbeth manipulates her husband with remarkable effectiveness, overriding all his objections, and when he hesitates to murder, she repeatedly questions his manhood until he feels that he must commit murder to prove himself. Lady Macbeth's remarkable strength of power persists through the murder of the king. It is she who steadies her husband's nerves immediately after the crime has done. Because of Lady Macbeth's manipulation, Macbeth killed Duncan. Next, afterward, however, Lady Macbeth begins a slow slide into madness, just as ambition affects her more strongly than Macbeth before the crime. So, does guilt plague her more strongly afterwards? By the close of the play, she has been reduced to the sleepwalking through the castle, desperately trying to wash away an invisible bloodstain. Once the sense of guilt comes home to roast, Lady Macbeth's sensitivity becomes a weakness and she is unable to hope significantly. She kills herself, signaling her total inability to deal with the legacy of their crime. And this shows Lady Macbeth as seeming femme fatale because she manipulates her husband again and again. She questions his manhood, and because of this manipulation, she ready to kill Duncan, and the murder was also done. And after the murder, she consoled her husband, but the guilt always questioned her ambition, and this led to commit suicide by herself. That's all. Thank you.